So Google का Nano बनाना hackathon is live on kaggle.com, and if you want to register on this hackathon, you can head over to kaggle.com. Basically, for 48 hours, you will get the free API keys from Gemini if you are participating in this hackathon. And for winners, you will get around $4 lakh of worth prize. So you will get free API access, you will get goodies. So all those are in the winner section. You can head over and check what winners will get. So you will get Gemini free API credits, around $1,000 of fail credit. So all these are for the winner. So now let's talk about the hackathon itself. So what exactly you have to do in the hackathon? So basically you have to create an app using Gemini 2.5 Flash Pro. अब इस ऐप को बनाने के बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं. You can use a generic way of creating the API key and then doing a hard code coding. So एक तरीका वो भी है. If you want to use Python or something like that, so you can use it, get your API key from here. How to use Nano banana, you can get it from here, and you can create a generic app using the API key or Python itself. Otherwise, if you do not want to do that and if you want to utilize AI itself, then you can use Google AI Studio. So आप उसको भी use कर सकते हो. That's totally acceptable. So what you have to do, you have to go to AI Studio, and AI Studio में आप you can see how all these apps are already created using Gemini 2.5 Flash. So if you see any of these apps, you can take the reference, and all of these apps are Gemini 2.5 Flash. एंड इसके बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी पिछले वीडियो में बात भी करी थी, एंड मैंने एक ऐप क्रिएट भी करी थी यूजिंग Gemini 2.5 फ्लैश. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे मेरी ये वाली ऐप थी विजुअल ट्राई ऑन स्टूडियो, एंड इफ यू हैव रिमेंबर दैट वीडियो, व्हाट दिस ऐप वाज डूइंग, आई एम putting my image in this app and then I am trying on different clothes. So ये use case है, right? So similar to that way, you have to create an app, provide your prompt and then create an app out of it. So this is what you have to do, and इसका तरीका simple है. You can go back to the build section. Let me show you. So let's say I want to create an app. Create an app that let's say creates paintings based on my prompt and image, right? और मे बी ऐसा करते हैं based on image, ठीक है? Use Nano banana. So let's say if I want to create an app like this, it will generate the app for me, and now it will use the Gemini 2.5 Flash Pro. And obviously आपकी ऐप जो होनी चाहिए काफ़ी दिखने में अच्छी है, and it should have a proper use case. So let it build for some time, and हम यहाँ पे जाके rules समझ लेते हैं. So if you go to the rules section, you can see what rules you have to follow. Top 50 teams will receive $5,000 each Gemini API credits. तो काफ़ी अच्छे prizes available हैं. And also you can log into Kaggle and यहाँ से आप join कर सकते हो. So I think one submission per team is required. So that means if you can have a different account, then different submission can be acceptable, not the existing one. So make sure if you are trying that, then your project should be different. So that is one thing. And this is the judging criteria. So 40% is the wow factor. So make sure whatever app you are creating, it should be a unique use case, right? There would be a lot of apps created. So whatever app you are creating, 40% is the wow factor. Something that you created, it should be very unique. Then obviously technical execution and functionality is 30%. Then how you executed that overall app, that is 30%. Potential impact and utility, that is 20%, and presentation is 10%. And to submit your project, what you have to do, you have to provide a video demo. That means जो भी project आपने बनाया है, जो भी ऐप आपने बनाई है, उसका एक डेमो देना पड़ेगा, and provide a video link that should be public. So YouTube की, Twitter की, कहीं का भी you can upload it there and provide a direct link. Then you should have a public project link. That means आप इसको host कर सकते हो कहीं GitHub पे, किसी repository पे, and provide the public link. So let's say whatever app you create here, you download that app, host it in GitHub and push it there. And Gemini integration write-up. So it should be there should be a write-up that how you integrated Gemini in this app. So ये basic submission के criteria है. Once you create your app, you can submit all these details along with your app, and you will be good to go. And इसके ऊपर discussions भी हैं, so you can participate in this hackathon, and you can see what people are discussing already. So overall, if you see, this is a good chance if you want to see how Gemini 2.5 Flash is working. Also, iska use karke, because now you have Google AI Studio. So even if you are not technical, but you have a vision to create something good using this, so I think it's a good way to start. And prices are really amazing. So it's in terms of credits, you see, you will get a good amount of credits available with you. So I would suggest, let's go there and try to participate in this hackathon, and you will obviously get the visibility of how hackathon works. And let's see how the app is created. So let's upload a image. Let's do, these are my thumbnails. Let's upload this one. Generate painting. Okay, so I have watercolor. Okay, let's say, now yeah, see, it is creating the paint. Okay, very good. I can change the style of the painting, so it will create a different style of painting. So obviously अब इसमें loader नहीं आ रहा है, on a single prompt it has created like this, so you can make it much more interactive and visibly good. So nice. So yeah, see, this image I uploaded and it has created a painting out of it. So ऐसा कोई सा भी आप use case use कर सकते हो, and try to participate in this hackathon. It's a good opportunity if you want to learn, and it's a good opportunity to also to earn prizes. So, and मैं सारे important links description में add कर दूंगा in comments में, so you can head over to this hackathon and you can participate it here. So hurry up if you want to participate, because 14 hours already हो चुके हैं and कुछ ही time बचा है, so you can participate and start creating your app.